What's up, high levelers? It's Andrew. I've got another exciting update for the Facebook Ad Manager. We now have the ability to create carousel ads, which is super exciting, especially when we're creating ads on Facebook and Instagram. Since these are primarily mobile platforms, we want to get as much engagement as possible with our ads, and carousels are a great way to do that so people can swipe through and view our ads on their devices through Facebook and Instagram. So let me show you how it works. Under your sub account in Marketing and Ad Manager, you'll create a campaign just as we always have by either creating one from scratch or using the Ad Manager templates. Now, there are plenty of really awesome templates under the Ad Manager template library, especially for creating just single image ads. But for us, we're going to be creating a carousel, so we are going to start from scratch. Now, when we are in the campaign screen, this is going to look just like normal. The only difference that we're going to do is in the ad content, we are going to add in multiple images or videos. Once you select your basic information like objectives, lead forms or buttons, ad categories, placements, and text, then at the very bottom, we will see media type, and we have either single or carousel. Single can be either a single still image or video, and carousel can be multiple still images or video. So if you select carousel just like this, click upload media. So here we're just going to double click on each file that we're using. So for all 5, and then they will all upload into our campaign just like this. So we've already got a couple. Here's another one. As you can see, they will upload like this. So just select all of your different files and then we'll come back. All right, so we've selected our 5 different pieces of media. These are all going to be videos, and now you can see them all laid out in a carousel as well as in our preview on the right hand side where we can preview each one of these slides. So we have a ton of functionality here, so let me show you all the different features of using carousels within the Ad Manager. For one, we can reorder all of these by using this little drag and drop icon on the left hand side. So we can drag these into the correct order. So headlines is a mandatory field. So as you can see, once you've got a headline, this little icon will disappear. But if you don't have one, then it will let you know that the headline's a mandatory field. So now you can see we've got a headline for each one of our pieces of media. You can also see that headline in our preview on the right-hand side. So that's really cool. It allows you to get more engagement by including different headlines and descriptions for each one of these posts. But if you want, you can also leave it at the same for all of them, so it looks the same as they swipe through. You can go ahead and click on the title of each one of your files. It will compress these. And of course, if you want to upload more media, you can click the upload media button and upload more from your media storage. So for photos, you'll see your photos show up right here on the right-hand side in our preview. But for videos, you can also click the little preview button and it will play the video for each one of your different slides as it goes through, which is really, really cool. So here's an example for a software ad that we've created with a couple of different videos. And at the very end, we have a call to action for them to sign up. It's as simple as that. We can also view this in a preview on our stories and in Reels. These will look very similar as your little carousel. They'll have arrows to swipe through this, which is really, really cool. Once you've selected all the information for your carousel and you've added in any text or pieces of media that you want to use, you can go ahead and click next, head to budget and audience, select your budget, review and publish your campaign just like that. Everything after uploading your media is exactly the same as normal. Again, carousel ads are super helpful for getting more engagement on Facebook and Instagram. And now that we have that integrated within the Ad Manager itself in GoHighLevel, this is super exciting. I'm excited to see how you guys use it. So I'm excited to use this. I hope you are too. If you have any questions about creating carousels within the Ad Manager, leave a comment. As always, thank you so much for watching.